Having a passive income source sounds like the perfect way to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck rat race, but you are stuck relying on just one money stream, and deep down you know that this is not enough to achieve your goals. Well, you are not so far off, my friend. Do you know that the average millionaire has at least 7 sources of income? Have you heard that in today's world, you can generate not one, but as many streams of income as you want? Yes, the secret is creating and selling online products. This is a proficient, scalable, and profitable way to diversify your revenue. In this video, we're diving deep into exactly how to do it, from choosing the right digital product to nailing your marketing strategy. Stick around, because this could be the game changer your life needs. Relying on a single income stream. The biggest challenge many solopreneurs face is relying solely on one source of income. It's risky, stressful, and limits your potential for growth. Imagine losing that one income stream. What's your backup plan? Do you even have one? Creating digital products isn't just for big businesses or tech-savvy experts. It's for anyone willing to put in the effort to create something valuable for their audience. The best part? You don't need to overhaul your entire business or spend months creating something complicated. So let's break it down and make it as simple as possible for you to get started. Why online resources are the answer. Why should you consider creating an online resource? Let me give you 3 clear reasons. Number 1, no physical inventory. You don't have to deal with manufacturing, shipping, or storage costs. It's all digital, which means fewer headaches. Number 2, minimal maintenance. Once your product is created, the ongoing costs are next to nothing. You won't have to constantly pour money or time into it. And number 3, scalable income. Here's the magic. You can sell 1 copy or 1 million without increasing your workload. Think about it. This isn't just a side hustle. It's an opportunity to build something that works for you while you focus on your core services. Choosing the right digital product. The key to a successful digital product is solving a specific problem for your audience. Let me give you a few examples. Ebooks. Ebooks are perfect for breaking down complex topics into bite-sized, actionable content. They offer your audience a resource they can revisit whenever they need clarity. Examples: personal finance. Create an ebook called How to Save $10,000 in 1 Year on Any Income that includes step-by-step budgeting strategies, savings plans, and actionable tips. Fitness. Write the 30-Day Beginner's Guide to Home Workouts to help people create an at-home exercise routine without expensive equipment. Parenting. Develop an ebook like Raising Confident Kids in a Digital World to address common parenting challenges with tech-savvy solutions. Niche expertise. If you're a photographer, write 10 tricks to edit stunning photos in Lightroom with easy-to-follow tutorials. Customizable templates. Customizable templates are lifesavers for people who need structure but lack the time or know-how to create it themselves. Examples: small businesses. Create invoicing templates, business plan templates, or email marketing sequences that clients can quickly adapt to their needs. Content creators. Offer Instagram post templates, YouTube thumbnail designs, or blog post outlines for creators looking to elevate their branding. Job seekers. Develop resume and cover letter templates tailored to different industries. A one-click customizable resume for tech jobs could be a big seller. Event planners. Sell wedding planning spreadsheets, budget trackers, or guest list organizers that simplify event planning. Online courses. Online courses are ideal for audiences seeking in-depth, hands-on learning. They let you walk people through a process while adding your unique insights and expertise. Examples: finance. Create a course like Master Your Money, a beginner's guide to budgeting and investing. That includes video lessons, interactive worksheets, and goal-setting modules. Tech skills. Offer a course like Learn Python in 30 Days to help beginners acquire coding skills. Include exercises and projects to build confidence. Creative skills. Develop a course such as Watercolor Painting for Beginners with video tutorials, downloadable supply lists, and step-by-step techniques. Wellness. Build a program like Transform Your Morning Routine, 21 Days to Productivity and Mindfulness, with guided practices and habit trackers. Digital downloads. Digital downloads are quick, actionable resources that address immediate needs. They're simple to create and highly valuable to your audience. Examples: checklists. Offer a first-time homebuyer checklist to guide people through every step of the home buying process. Planners. Sell a daily productivity planner with time-blocking sections, to-do lists, and goal-setting pages. Guides. Create a step-by-step guide to starting a podcast that outlines equipment, software, and best practices. Health trackers. Provide a weekly meal prep tracker with space for grocery lists, recipes, and portion tracking. Stock photos or design assets. If you're a photographer, graphic designer, or illustrator, your creative assets can generate passive income for years to come. Examples: stock photos. Sell curated packs like modern office stock photos or nature photography for website backgrounds. Graphic design assets. Offer logo templates, social media icons, or banner graphics for small business owners. Illustrations. Create and sell packs of digital stickers, vector art, or custom illustrations for websites or personal projects. Video assets. If you're a videographer, provide royalty-free B-roll footage or animated transitions for content creators. Layer your products for maximum impact. Once you have a few products, consider bundling them together. For example, combine an ebook, templates, and a mini course into a cute starter pack for small business success. Offer a set of planners and checklists as an ultimate productivity kit. Bundling increases perceived value and often leads to higher sales. By focusing on these ideas, you'll have plenty of ways to create digital products that resonate with your audience while maximizing your income potential. Here's a real-life example. A friend of mine started selling vacation packing checklists for parents. What started as a simple idea, born out of her natural talent for organization, became a profitable digital product. The beauty of digital products is that they let you monetize your skills and knowledge. You probably already have something valuable you could offer. How to market your digital product. Once you've created your product, the next step is marketing. Even the best product won't sell if no one knows about it. Here's how you can get the word out. Leverage your existing audience. Start with your current clients, followers, or subscribers. They already know and trust you, which makes them more likely to buy. Use social media. Create free content related to your product to build trust and curiosity. If you show them value up front, they'll be more willing to pay for your premium offering. Example: if you're selling a budgeting template, create a free video or post with tips on saving money. People will think, if the free stuff is this good, the paid product must be amazing. Tap into search algorithms. Platforms like YouTube and Google can introduce your product to new audiences. A single YouTube video that hits the algorithm can drive thousands of clicks. Start small, launch with an affordable product. For example, selling something for $10.99 is much easier for first-time buyers than offering a $1,000 course. Offer a freebie. Consider giving away a small product in exchange for email addresses. This lets you nurture those leads with follow-up emails, building trust before pitching a higher-priced item. Why digital products work. Digital products have revolutionized how businesses and individuals generate income. They're not just a trend, they're a proven, sustainable way to build revenue streams that work for you, whether you're actively involved or not. Here's why they're so effective, along with examples of what's worked for others. 1. They're cost-effective to create. Unlike physical products, digital products don't require manufacturing, inventory, or shipping. This drastically reduces your upfront costs, making them an ideal option for solopreneurs, startups, and even established businesses looking to diversify their income. Example: a graphic designer created customizable Canva templates for social media posts. With just a few hours of initial design work, she generated thousands of dollars in passive income by selling the templates repeatedly without additional costs. 2. They offer unlimited scalability. Digital products don't have production limits. Whether you sell one copy or a million, the cost of production and delivery remains the same. This scalability means your income potential is virtually unlimited. Example: an online course creator built a program teaching basic coding skills. After launching the course, it went viral on a popular e-learning platform, selling over 50,000 copies. Each sale added to his income without requiring extra effort. 3. They're accessible to a global audience. Digital products can be sold to anyone, anywhere in the world. This eliminates geographical barriers and opens your business to a massive audience. All you need is an internet connection and the right platform to market and distribute your products. Example: a fitness instructor developed a 30-day workout guide in PDF format. By promoting it on Instagram, she attracted buyers from dozens of countries who appreciated the convenience of a downloadable guide. 4. They allow for passive income. Once your digital product is created, it can generate income continuously without requiring your active involvement. This makes digital products an excellent option for creating passive income streams. Example: a teacher wrote an ebook on how to prepare for standardized tests. After listing it on Amazon, it became a steady source of monthly royalties, freeing up time to focus on other projects. 5. They solve specific problems. The best digital products address pain points or challenges that your audience is facing. People are often willing to pay for convenience, knowledge, or tools that make their lives easier. Example: a travel blogger created packing checklists for different types of trips, weekend getaways, international vacations, and business trips. By solving a common problem, forgetting essential items, she turned a simple concept into a profitable product line. 6. They can be updated and improved. Unlike physical products, digital products are easy to update. This means you can refine your offerings based on customer feedback, keeping your product relevant and valuable over time. Example: a photographer launched a digital course on editing photos using Lightroom. After receiving feedback, she added advanced techniques and bonus content to the course, increasing its value and boosting sales. 7. They leverage existing expertise. Everyone has unique skills, knowledge, or experiences that can be turned into a digital product. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just focus on what you already know and package it in a way that helps others. Example: a personal finance coach created budget spreadsheets that aligned with her coaching philosophy. By leveraging her existing expertise, she attracted clients who wanted to implement her techniques on their own. 8. They build trust and authority. Creating and selling digital products positions you as an expert in your field. This can lead to more opportunities, whether it's attracting high-ticket clients, building partnerships, or growing your overall brand. Example: a marketing consultant launched a free downloadable guide on writing effective ad copy. The guide built trust with her audience, and many of the downloaders eventually became paying clients for her consulting services. 9. They're flexible and customizable. Digital products can be tailored to meet the specific needs of your audience. This flexibility allows you to create niche products that resonate deeply with your target market. Example: a nutritionist created meal plans for different dietary preferences: vegan, keto, and gluten-free. Each plan was tailored to address the unique needs of these audiences, making them highly relevant and appealing. 10. They open doors to additional revenue streams. Once you've created one digital product, it's easier to expand your offerings and create bundles, upsells, or complementary products. Example: a yoga instructor started with a digital guide on beginner poses. Later, she added video tutorials, meditation audio tracks, and an online course. Bundling these products increased her overall revenue significantly. 11. They work for a wide range of niches. Whether you're in fitness, finance, tech, art, or education, there's a place for digital products in almost every industry. The key is to find what resonates with your audience. Example: a software developer created coding cheat sheets for beginners learning Python. These were simple, easy to understand PDFs that became a hit among students and aspiring programmers. 12. They're environmentally friendly. Digital products have virtually no environmental footprint. There's no waste from packaging or emissions from shipping, making them an eco-friendly business choice. Example: an eco-conscious entrepreneur marketed her zero-waste living guide as a sustainable alternative to traditional products, appealing to an audience passionate about environmental issues. 13. They empower buyers. Digital products empower your audience to take action, whether it's learning a new skill, solving a problem, or achieving a goal. When your product delivers real value, it builds loyalty and word-of-mouth marketing. Example, a mental health coach created a journal with daily prompts for mindfulness and stress relief. Customers who used the journal shared their positive experiences, leading to organic growth in sales. Adding a digital product to your revenue stream isn't just about making extra cash, it's about freedom. Imagine making money while you sleep, knowing your product is working for you 24/7. By tapping into the power of digital products, you're not just creating a revenue stream, you're building a scalable, impactful way to share your expertise with the world. With the right approach and a commitment to solving real problems, the possibilities are endless. Remember the catch. You need to start small, create one product, test the waters, and refine it as you go. Before you know it, you'll have a steady stream of passive income without sacrificing the time and energy you need for your core business. Let me know if you'd like to dive deeper into any of these examples. Let's recap. Start by choosing a simple, value-driven digital product that solves a problem for your audience. Market it effectively using your existing audience, social media, and search algorithms. Keep it affordable at first, and don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas. This isn't just theory. It's a proven way to diversify your income and set yourself up for long-term success. I hope this video was helpful and gave you enough guidance to start your journey in the digital world. If you are looking to learn how to finance and how to invest, check out our previous videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.